Hello students, today we shall study about the derivation of a Newton's forward differentiation formula. As you know that earlier, the formula for Newton's Gregory forward interpolation formula itself. So here also for derivation of a Newton's forward interpolation formula, we require for derivative of that function itself. We have to consider the function y is equal to f of x passing through the n plus 1 points, that is x is equal to x naught, which is nearer to the beginning of the point or starting point. So we have to apply the forward interpolation formula. As I said, what is our forward interpolation formula? F of x is equal to f of x naught plus u delta f of x naught plus u into u minus 1 upon 2 factorial del square f of x naught plus u into u minus 1 into u minus 2 upon 3 factorial into del cube f of x naught plus so on etc. Now f y is equal to f of x is there. We can convert the f of x value in terms of a y, that is y. Again, what is the value of x naught? We have taken that is x itself, x naught plus uh as a Newton's forward interpolation formula. Y is equal to y naught plus u del y naught plus u square minus u upon 2 factorial del square delta square y naught plus so on. We call it is equation number 1, where u is equal to, you know that is x minus x naught by h, and du by dx becomes 1 by h itself. Now differentiate equation 1 because we require dy by dx derivative, because that is our main motto. We have to find out the y function in terms of a first order derivative, second order derivative as well as third order derivative. Dy by dx, again our given equation number 1, right hand side term is there u, but we have differentiated y with respect to x, so we have to apply the composite function, that is dy by du into du by dx. As you know that du by dx value is 1 by h. Now d by du keep as it is. What is the y? Y, this is equation number 1, write down as it is. Now differentiate with respect to u. Y naught is independent of u, means it gets 0. U derivative is 1, del y naught, delta y naught as it is. Similarly, differentiation of u square minus u with respect to u, that we get 2u minus 1, it's upon 2 factorial delta square y naught as it is, plus same way we can differentiate, we get this one. Now again equation 2 gives the values of dy by dx at in general, means at any point of x will get. Suppose if we take x is equal to x naught, we will get the values of u as a 0, and the equation becomes in terms of 1 by h delta y naught minus 1 by 2 del square y naught plus 1 by 3 del cube y naught. If x and x naught both are same, we will get the equation number 3. Otherwise, equation 2 gives the first order differentiation of a forward interpolation formula itself, first order derivative. Again, we have to differentiate equation number 2 with respect to x. We will get the values d square y by dx square. As you know that d by du of dy by dx is a first order derivative into we will get du by dx, as already I have written here 1 by h, because du by dx as a 1 by h we have written. Now again derivative of dy by dx. So d by du of del y naught, y value dy by dx is our equation number 2. 1 by h is common, 1 by h into 1 by h becomes here 1 by h square. Now differentiate this equation number 2. So first term is again independent of u, means we will get 0. Second term is we have in there u, that is differentiation of u is 2. Coefficient is 2 is there having, means 2 into 1, 2 will get, 2 upon 2 factorial we get the value is 1. Again we get the value is del square y naught. Similarly you can differentiate third one, that we will get the value is in terms of a u minus 1 into del cube y naught and 12 u square minus 36 u plus 22 upon 4 factorial into del raised to 4 y naught. If we take here del cube y f of x naught, del raised to 4 f of x naught, we will get the value of this one. So we call it is equation number 4, and this equation 4 is called second order derivative with respect to any point x is equal to xn or x is equal to any point, x is equal to at any point itself. Similarly, to differentiate equation number 4, we will get third order derivative and we will get the values is 1 by h cube del cube y naught plus 24u square minus 36 upon 4 factorial into del raised to 4y naught plus so on itself. We call it is equation number 5. See here, this is our equation number 4. If we differentiate this one, see here, differentiation of u is 1. We will get 1 into del cube y naught minus 1 will get 0. Again differentiation of del is there, that will come 12 into 24u minus 36 upon 4 factorial into del raised to 4y naught plus 4. So this is our equation number 4 and 5. Use the second as well as third order derivative of a Newton's forward differentiation formula itself. If we take x is equal to again x naught in equation number 4, we will get u is 0. Also equation number 5 we will get 0. We will get the value if it is x and x naught both are same. We will get the equation 1 by x square del square y naught. Here u will get 0. Again minus del cube y naught plus 11 by 12 del raised to 4 y naught. Similarly del cube y by dx cube will get 1 by h cube del cube y naught minus 3 by 2 del raised to 4 y naught plus so on. This is when x is equal to x naught both are same. Otherwise equation 4, 5 as well as equation 2 gives the first order, second order, third order derivative of a Newton's forward formula. Earlier I had been explained the Newton's forward derivative formula. Now I shall explain about the derivative of Newton's backward derivative formula. Here also we have to find out y as a in terms of dy by dx, d square y by dx square as well as d cube y by dx cube. That is the derivative for backward for first order, second order as well as third order. Consider here y is equal to f of x be a function passing through the n plus 1 points. We have Newton's backward interpolation formula because here the values of x we have been taken at the end of the equation. So we have been applying here Newton's backward interpolation formula, that is y is equal to yn plus v del yn plus v to v plus 1 upon 2 factorial del square yn plus v to v plus 1 v plus 2 upon 3 factorial into del cube yn plus so on. This is the, you know that is Newton's backward interpolation formula itself. Now multiply v to v plus 1 v to v plus 1 into v plus 2, we will get another form of the equation, that is y of xn plus nh, because we have substituted the values at the point x is equal to xn plus nh itself, and the remaining right hand side term becomes as it is, that is yn plus v del yn plus v square plus v upon 2 factorial delta square yn plus v cube plus 3v square plus 2v upon 3 factorial del cube yn plus so on. We call it is equation number 1. Now differentiate this equation 1 with respect to x, but our right hand side term we have been there, that is in terms of v, so we can't do directly differentiation. We have to apply the composite function, that is dy by dv into dv by dx form that we have been taken here. As we know that v value from this equation, we know that is xn plus nh, from that result we get dv by dx is 1 by h. Now differentiate right hand side term of the equation 1 with respect to v. First term is independent of v, we will get 0. Second term is differentiation of v is 1 into del yn, that is del yn plus v square differentiation is 2v, v differentiation is 1, 2v plus 1 upon 2 factorial into del square yn, it is there. Similarly differentiation of v cube, that is 3v square, differentiation of 3v square, that is 6v plus 2v differentiation, that is 2, we get 3v square plus 6v plus 2 upon 3 factorial del cube y. Now what we get, the equation dy by dx is equal to 1 by h del yn plus 2v plus 1 upon 2 factorial del square yn plus 3v square of plus 6v plus 2 upon 3 factorial into del cube y plus so on. This is the first order derivative at the point x itself, any point as the x. Suppose if we take x is equal to xn, means x and xn both are same, that time v will get 0. If we get v values of 0, we will get the values of equation in terms of 1 by h del yn plus 1 by 2 del square yn plus 1 by 3 del cube y. This formula is only applicable when x and xn both are same. X is equal to xn, then we get the equation number 3. Otherwise, for any other point, that is the general equation. Second equation is the first order derivative. Again, differentiate equation 2 with respect to x, we get d square y by dx square. So d by dx of dy by dx we get. Now what? It is cannot possible dy by dx with respect to x, so we have to apply chain rule, that is d by dv of dy by dx as it is into dv by dx. As you know that dv by dx value is 1 by h. Equation 2 it is dy by dx, that is 1 by h into 1 by h. 1 by x square will get here into differentiation of equation 2. What is our differentiation of equation 2? First, it is independent of v, we will get 0. Second, derivative of 2v, that is 2 itself. 2 by 2 will get 1. 1 into del square yn, we get plus differentiation of 3v square will get 6v. Differentiation of 6v will get 6. Again plus 2 we get 0, we will get 6v plus 6 upon 3 factorial into del cube y plus so on. This is the second order derivative of a y. Similarly, we can differentiate equation number 4 with respect to x, we will get third order derivative, that is 1 by x cube into del cube y plus 24v plus 36 upon 4 factorial into del raised to 4y yn plus so on. Then what? This is the general equation of second equation 4. Equation 5 gives the general equation at the point x is equal to any value. But if we substitute x is equal to xn, we will get b0 in equation number 4 also. So we get the value is d square y by dx square at the point x is equal to xn, 1 by x square del square yn plus del cube yn plus 11 by 12 del raised to 4 yn plus so on. And we get the values here as a third order derivative, that is d cube y by dx cube at the point x is equal to xn, that is 1 by x cube into del cube yn plus 3 by 2 del raised to 4 yn plus so on. This is the second order, third order backward difference at the point x is equal to xn, but generally we have in there second order is equation number equation 4 gives the second order differentiation and equation 5 gives the second order differentiation of a backward. So these are the equation 2 represents the first order backward differentiation formula, equation 4 gives the second order backward differentiation formula, and equation 5 gives the third order backward differentiation formula.